On the Ibex 450, I didn't like the handlebar guards they gave us because they were just plastic and really no value. This is metal. Metal here, metal through here, metal coming out the other side, fastened on with metal. Definitely much stronger. I don't have to worry about it breaking if I hit a tree or if the bike goes over. Yeah, they're not maybe as highfalutin as some other brands out there, but they cost a half to a third the price, so it works for me. I'll put the link down below where to get that. I searched high and low, and Amazon had a good deal, and it's just what I wound up getting. I will say this: when you go to put it on for this bracket, not only for this arm where there is a definite left and right side, but this bracket, there is a definite left and right side, and it mounts under, not over. So when you mount it, it goes below all this and comes out up here. I got a feeling some people have tried to put the wrong bracket on the wrong side, and they've had unsuccess. And you won't have success if you try putting this on this side. It will not work. And if you and vice versa, obviously. So you got to put the right one on the right side for it to work. All right, to keep the shiny side up, I'll put a reference below on where to get that. It's a good deal. Check it out.